Hello students, welcome back to your mathematics class. Today I am Jyoti here. So today I am discuss with you the class 2nd mathematics subject, chapter number 5, division. So division, first of all I want to introduce with my chart. So here is some tricks to learn division. Tricks to learn division means I want to given you an introduction portion from the division. So first of all I want to introduce to vocabulary for the division method. Clear students? So that is the main place for you write here the statement for division sums. So here is quotient, divisor and dividend. So first of all quotient. The queen is in the attic. That is the main place for queen. So that's why it's a call for attic and queen is in the attic. Second one is dividend. Dividend you divide in the den. You all are known about lion live in the den. So that is the main portion there. Dividend is living there. And next is divisor. The divisor is under the visor. That is also living place for the divisor because that is under the den and queen. Clear? So other ways to show division method. So first of all I want to clear these points. After that the next point is this. So first dividend, 24 into 6. 24 is dividend, divisor is 6 and equal to quotient is 4. Same like that, whenever you again divide the sum, next for the another method from the same equation. So dividend is 24 divided by 6 is divisor and quotient is equal to 4. So hope so you all are understand with this method and this introduction portion from the division chapter. So first of all, okay then students, please open your book, page number 100. Exercise 5.1. Okay. Here is first point. Find the quotient. Clear students? Here is three things: dividend, divisor and quotient. So sum number A I want to solve here. So look at here, be carefully. I am given some example, some easy method to show and solve the fully exercise from 5.1. 30 divided by 5 equal to, here is box, means here you can write your answer. So I want to given the easy method to you that you have to solve easily. So here is 5 and divided by 5 into 30. So we are divided by 5 each group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here is 5 groups. We are divided from 30. That is 30 numbers, so divided 5 group for 30 numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I put here cross because that is easily understood for you. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29 and 30. So the number 30 is divided into 5 groups. Clear? So how many in each group? Please count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Same like that, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So each group has 6 numbers. So what is the response? 30 divided by 5, here is 6. That is the answer. So clear, student? I hope you will able to do this sum with this method. That is a very easy way. Okay, now once again I want to show you the sum number B for the same 42 divided by 6, okay, equal to, here you can put your answer. Same like that, we can divide it into 6 each group. Okay, then 42, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41 and 42. So each group have how many? There is 7, 7. 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7. So what is the response here? Given 7. That is the answer. Means that is the portion form, dividend, divisor and quotient. Clear everyone? Okay. So hope so you all will understand with this method, and you can do all these sum with the help of your parents and write down all the sum in your notebook. Clear, students? As well as you can do on your book also, page number 100 and page number 101, and some are 102. Clear, students? So next I want to tell you the exercise 5.2. Okay. Okay, then second one is exercise 5.2. Here is the first question. For each sum, encircle the number which matches the word given below the sum. You all are familiar with this method. Likewise, I am writing here. Here is the first portion. This side is the divisor, dividend and quotient. Same like that, you can see your page number 103. Here is encircle the number that is essential and that is needed to according your requirement. So I will do the part number second. Write the word in box which matches the number encircled. Okay, then first of all I want to clear number first part, that is encircle the number. Here is first 25 divided by 3. Okay, in the table of 3, which is the below number from 25th, 25, so table of 3, there is 8, 24, means 3 8s are 24, minus 5 minus 4, 1. So what is this? This is the remainder thing, quotient, dividend and divisor. Same like this, you can do full this sum, that is divisor portion, dividend, quotient and remainder. Clear everyone? So this sum you can do your own self with the help of your parents. It's a very easy sum. Clear, students? I hope you will understand what method I can use to understand to fully exercise. And the next one is exercise 5.3. That is only on filling the blanks. In a full exercise, there is only on filling the blanks, part 1 filling the blanks, part 2 also filling the blanks, and part 3 again filling the blanks. So you will be do on your book from this exercise. No need to write the notebook from 5.3, you can done only on your book. So next part, exercise 5.4. I want to show you next. Exercise 5.4, here is divide the following using long division and verify the answer. So I want to clear first sum. Please listen and watch carefully. Okay. Sum number A, 66 divided by 6. Same like that, divisor, dividend is 66, and next, how to solve this sum with the use of long method. Means first of all, I can explain the short method for short words from only on division purpose. So in the table of 6, 66 is not possible. So one by one we can take the digits. 6 ones are 6. Then what comes down? 6. Again 6 ones are 6. Clear students? So remainder is 0. So this is the method from easy way to divide the sum. And the next I want to clear you how to verify the answer. So that is like checking the answer. So verify. Verification is there. First of all, write divisor multiply quotient equal to dividend. Clear student? So what is the divisor? Divisor is 6 multiply quotient is 11 equal to, so 11 multiply 6. 6 ones are 6, 6 ones are 6. So what is the divisor? Dividend? Dividend is 66. That is the answer. So this way you can verify the answer. Clear students? Hope you will understand. And same like this way, first of all you can do this simple method. After that clear the answer like this way, divisor, quotient and equal to dividend. Same like that, divisor is 6 means this side is divisor, divisor is 6 multiply quotient is 11 from the upper part like queen part, okay, then equal to, whenever you multiply your answer, then what is that? Dividend. Dividend is the proper answer that we given to you. Next, exercise 5.5, I want to show you some sums from 5.5 exercise. I want to erase that. Okay. Next is 5.5 exercise. Here is divide the following and verify your answer. Again that is the same sum. Same sums that I already done in my 5.4 exercise, but here is something extra. This portion is 5.4 portion is 2 digit sum and this is from 3 digit sum, but method is same. So I want to show you part 1, sum number A, 963 divided by 3. So how to solve this sum? 963 divided by 3. So 9 is smaller or bigger one? Inside That is, according to this digit, you can count the table from 3. So 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, and 3 threes are 9. Here is nothing. What comes down? 6. Okay. Same table, 3, 3 twos are 6. Here is nothing. What comes down next? 3. 3 ones are 3. Clear everyone? So next thing is verification. Verify the answer, same like this way. Divisor, quotient equal to dividend. So divisor is 3 multiply quotient is 3 to 1. So multiply 3 to 1 by 3. 3 ones are 3. 3 twos are 6. 3 threes are 9. So what is the quotient? What is the dividend? Dividend part is 963. 963. Clear students? Okay. If there is needed, so I can explain the next more. If there is no need to explain some more sum, so all the sum is same like this way, same part A, B, C, part 1, 2, 3 and 4, same like this way. You can solve to your copy. Okay. Okay. So I am discuss with you with this material, with this trick to learn division and the exercise 5.1 to 5.5 in my this session mathematics that I teach you in division method from class 2nd. So I hope you all will understand, and please again see this full video how to use the division method and clear all the sum on your notebook and book also. Clear students? Thank you.